Now to the trial for a Riverview man accused of killing his girlfriend and their young daughter in 2018. Jury selection now getting underway today. 32-year-old o-neal is representing himself, which the state attorney's office says is rare. ABC Action News reporter Heather Lee tonight showing us how his inexperience in trying a murder case is already showing up in court.
Dozens of potential jurors filled courtroom 1 to hear details of a case they may be ultimately asked to decide the outcome of.
The alleged offenses in this case involve the murder of the defendant's girlfriend, his daughter, and the attempted murder of his son. There was also a residential fire at the scene of these offenses.
Jurors were asked Monday whether they had seen or heard anything about the case, and those who had were asked to explain further. O-neal followed up with potential juror 32.
Things that you saw and read on Facebook, did it cause you to form any opinions about me or about the case period?
Not at all. As soon as I saw that a jury was getting selected today, being here, I got off Facebook right away.
Some jurors told the judge they had scheduling conflicts. Others admitted they didn't think they could be fully impartial. Some had strong opinions on the death penalty.
I just believe that anyone guilty of taking a life deserves to have theirs taken.
Part of it is my Catholicism, and that every human has a right to live, and that their life should not be ended in any way other than naturally.
The state says it can be challenging prosecuting a case where the defendant is representing themselves because they aren't skilled in rules of evidence and procedure. And there were plenty of times during jury selection where o-neal seemed confused by the process, asking if jury selection was the official start of his trial. Also asking if the judge could strike juror 24 because of his stance on the death penalty, but seemed to get what the juror said incorrect when talking to the judge.
Because he does not agree with the death penalty. Basically his views on the death penalty.
The judge told him that wasn't necessarily enough to let him go, but said he would need to dive deeper into that subject Wednesday with that potential juror when jury selection continues. Heather Lee, ABC Action News.